Picture this. It's Sunday. The Eagles are about to kick off, and the house that usually buzzes with two adults and a pile of snacks feels quieter. The TV's on, the chips untouched, and someone tells you the other parent won't be home for a while. That silence lands like a weight.
Welcome to Danny's Den. I'm Danny. Today we're talking about what to do when a parent can't be at home, practical steps, short scripts for the kids, and small rituals to keep routines alive. Let's chat. Start with this. Focus on two goals this week. Keep the kids safe and predictable, and build a paper trail. Those two things will help you emotionally and legally. Okay, the basics courts look for. If a parent suddenly can't provide care, judges want safe, stable arrangements fast. That usually means one of two tools: temporary custody or an emergency guardianship.
Temporary custody says who makes day-to-day decisions while a case moves through court. Emergency guardianship is faster and used when waiting could harm a child. Bring the paperwork that proves identity and relationship, birth certificates, any existing custody orders, and a caregiver photo ID.
Judges notice preparedness. Show up with a calendar and concrete exchange times. It matters more than perfection. Visiting rules vary by facility, but two things are consistent. The jail or prison sets the logistics, and family courts can sometimes order phone or video schedules or supervised visits. If you want contact for the absent parent, document every attempt. Call logs, emails, envelopes, because courts prefer a record of active efforts. Here's a practical split. First, collect documents, then propose a simple plan to the court. Documents: birth certificate, photo IDs, any prior custody paperwork, and any detention or booking records you can get. Plan: exact exchange points, days and times, and proposed call windows tied to rhythms like game days.
Let's talk about the day-to-day, a parenting plan courts respect. Pick clear exchange spots and consistent times. Example: Saturday morning drop-off at Grandma's at 10, Sunday Eagles time at 1 with a short video check-in at 6. Put it on a printed calendar and keep copies.
Keep the plan simple. Judges want reliability more than details that you'll struggle to keep. Phone and video calls. Schedule them and log them. Write date, time, duration, and who was present. If visits must be supervised, ask what counts as supervision locally. Libraries, visiting centers, or a court-approved supervisor are common. It feels unfair, right? To add legal paperwork on top of a family crisis. I know. That tension is real. Do one thing at a time. Gather documents first, then sketch the calendar. Talking to kids, keep language plain. For little ones, Mommy or Daddy can't sleep at home right now. They love you and we're safe here. For school-age kids, this is a change we didn't plan. We'll keep Sundays the same so you can still watch the game. For teens, be direct and give choices. You can call them on Wednesdays at 6 or send a playlist. If a child breaks down when you explain it, pause. Offer comfort first. It's okay to cry. We'll sit here. Then come back to facts when they're calmer.
Preserving the parental bond from inside takes creativity. Letters, short audio messages, recorded bedtime stories, and curated playlists matter. Ask the incarcerated parent to record a 1-minute goodnight or a 2-minute story. Save the files and note the dates. Those items are both sentimental and useful if you need to show ongoing involvement. Shared rituals anchor kids. Even one ritual, the same couch, the same snack, the same 3 songs before kickoff, gives them something predictable to hold on to. Money talk, quick and blunt. Incarceration can change a parent's ability to pay, but existing child support orders don't automatically disappear. Don't guess. Step 1, get a copy of the current order. Step 2, gather any proof of changed income or incarceration. Step 3, contact legal aid or the court clerk to learn local filing steps for modification. If enforcement is needed, wages still being paid, assets available, there are avenues. If the parent truly has no income, courts sometimes adjust orders. Local practice varies, so call a family law attorney or legal aid clinic before filing anything major. Your emotional load matters. Take tiny, doable steps for self-care. A 10-minute walk, one call to a friend, or a short therapy check-in. Kids pick up on tension. When you model one steady routine, it helps them breathe easier. If you can co-parent with the incarcerated parent, keep boundaries. Use written plans for calls and topics. Keep communication polite and documented, and stop if messages turn abusive. Safety first. Get your attorney or a social worker involved if needed.
And the small magic things that really help, rituals. Make game days sacred. Same seat, same snack, a 3-song playlist before kickoff. Call it Sunday Eagles and play the same first 3 songs every week. That shared routine says you're still part of this family, even if things have changed.
Quick checklist to start this week. 1. Gather documents, birth certificates, IDs, current orders, any incarceration paperwork. 2. Sketch a simple parenting plan tied to game days. 3. Start a contact log for calls and visits. 4. Prepare one short script for each child's age. 5. Call legal aid or a family lawyer and save a mental health resource number.
A few closing notes. None of this replaces local legal advice. Family law differs by state and county, so talk to a lawyer in your area. If anything I said stirred up strong feelings, pause and reach out. A friend, a counselor, or a crisis line can help you study before you act. Thanks for spending this time with me. If you need help with a specific legal issue, send me a direct message or email Danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation. And if this episode helped even a little, subscribe to Danny's Den for weekly mixes of law, love, sports, and pop culture. Let's chat.